welcome to episode 3 of the interior redo on the 1982 Macgregor 25. I know the last video wasn't all that good, so I figure I'm trying to get better at these videos. So this is what the boat looked like when I first got it. It had a head behind the V-berth up front, which I wanted to take out, kind of open it up. I wanted to update the interior and take the carpet down that was on the ceiling, which was really nasty, and it was a horrible job to do. I wanted to repaint a lot of the bulkheads inside and just basically update the interior. Here is a picture of what it was looking like right in the middle of the gutting of it, and we're going to do a couple of videos on it and some time-lapse photography of the bulkheads and the keel winch. So please enjoy.
Well, she is gutted. We totally gutted her. We are actually going to make a longer bed up here, bring it out and make all this a storage area where the old head used to be. We're going to pretty much keep the same configuration with the dining room table here. The little galley, I guess you could call it. Table, settee, something like that. We've got all the teak rails off. And I am still wearing my dust mask, so sorry about me being muffled up. Oh my gosh, this is a nasty job. I am furry. Getting that rug down off of the Macgregor roof was rough. We are sanding right now as we speak. Say hi, Dalton. Oh, nasty work, nasty work. But it's off. We just got to sand it and we're going to paint it. Paint the whole top up on here. Make it look fresh. Fresh as new fallen snow.
All right, it's really nasty outside. We were going to take this boat out this weekend, but it's been raining and it's getting cold. So I just want to do a quick ending here to this episode 3. Fast forward into the future quite a bit here. And as you can see, the whole interior's been painted. The teak rails, I ended up pulling them all out and putting teak oil on them. We ended up getting rid of the head here, which I took and made a bulkhead with plywood here, with enamel and what's called mildew side to hopefully keep it mold resistant in here. I did a lot of teak trim, cleared this out, and ultimately my wife is going to do the cushions in here this winter. So we took the little head out that was here. There was a little porta potty, and there was an actual bulkhead right here also, and made it flat. It's going to make the bed bigger, so we're going to probably have the bed come out about here, and then right here, I've already made it, I just haven't installed it, is going to be another flip out piece of wood. It's going to be attached to the side here, and it's going to extend the bed out here a little bit, so it'll give us a bigger bed. These Macgregors only had like barely a 6-foot bed in these things, so sorry about the life jackets everywhere. We were going to go out on the boat this weekend, but ended up not going to. So these are the old cushions. Like I said, she's going to be making new cushions. This is the finished bulkheads on the back and under the cockpit. So along with my nice brand new circuit panel, breaker panel, got the winch in, got nice wood in. I had to cut a hole out for the depth finder, but we're going to figure out what to put on here. She wants to put some stuff on here, so I'll do a video later on that. All right, this video is getting long. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. And we will get some videos, hopefully, of her sailing either next weekend or maybe next year.
This is a nasty job. I am furry.